importante lang po talaga dyan is praying and working hard.
Ronnie, okay, sir. Sir, pabagay ko lang ang buong pangalan natin and then nasaan po tayo ngayon ano meron?
Rolling. My name is Coach Bujing Akot. I'm basically the founder director of Philippine Youth Dreamers org. Right now, at the moment, we are having our basketball tournament for kids. You know, it's called Dreamers Day Philippines. It's under 18 years old. So it starts from 9 years old, 10 years old, all the way to 18 years old. And sometimes we also cater to under 23 years old. So it depends on the requirements or yung kailangan nating matulungan ng mga kabataan.
So pakita naman ano yung backstory dito ng organization natin. So paano siya nagsimula? Actually, year, ito paano siya?
Okay, Philippine Youth Dreamers started way back 2013. It was formerly known as Pinoy Youth Dreamers, but evolving times, you know, come 2023, after 10 years of into an outreach program of basketball, my son, Baylis Akot, the executive director of Philippine Youth Dreamers org, now changed the name into Philippine Youth Dreamers. So para mas marami daw tayo makater of different genders. It started August 1, 2013 with the informal settlers of our youth, no, sa Pasig City. The main objective there is to give opportunity for the young kids to play basketball and hopefully maging way of life nila. So in-encourage namin yung mga out of school youth, yung mga most especially yung mga talagang hindi nag-aaral or yung mga nasa public school. We try to raise the bar of their basketball intellectual capability. At the same time, yung kanilang skills. Kasi ang main objective na is to be the medium or the bridge, hindaan para maabot yung kanilang pangarap. Not only in basketball, it's a tool. Basketball is a tool and hopefully, siya yung maging tool para magkaroon ng libreng pag-aaral, makapunta sa high school, maging varsity, sa college, and eventually make it to PBA or to the national team. That's our goal. That's our goal. But at the end of the day, it's going to be for the kids who's going to work hard and commit for the program.
So yung mga bata na to, saan nagagaling to? Saan area nagagaling to? Yung Pilipinas ko to or dito lang sa lugar natin?
Yung sinasabi nyo kung saan nanggagaling, again, we started in Barangay San Antonio, Pasig. Then eventually, you know, because we've been helping a lot of people, nag-spread po siya. So it's not only coming from Pasig, it turns out to be a national program already. So wherein we have different chapters of Philippine Youth Dreamers in Cebu, Lucban, partners with Tacloban, we have Bacolod, we have Cagayan de Oro, we have Davao. But the main objective is really to spread the good news, which is to help out and reach out for the young kids. Yun po yung pinaka-goal. So ang goal po dati is only to go nationwide, na naging national program. Now, ngayon po, going 11 years, we're going already international. We have partners from Guam, USA, from Singapore, to Indonesia, to Malaysia, to Brunei, to name the few.
Maybe lang ba tayo yung member ng
by my math, it's not so good. Pero more or less, we're like from 10 years, probably about 10,000 kids already has been part of the program, you know, for almost 10 years. So, the program po natin is all throughout the year. We have quarterly basketball camp. It's called Basketball and Character Camp for kids and also for the youth. We have, again, the Dreamers League Philippines for the tournaments. We also have 3 extreme programs under SBP. All our programs is under Samahan Basketball ng Pilipinas. And we also have international programs. So when you look at it, it's a whole year program. So we cover almost all aspects of the sport.
Yes, sir. Makadala tayo ng sa akin. Or kahit na member or non-members natin, makadala tayo. Dito lang tayo.
Okay. Dito na ako natin. Okay. Sa lahat po ng mga makakapanood po nito, no, lalo na po sa mga kabataan, let's make basketball a way of life. No? We commit and we make sure that we give our 100% to whatever endeavors that we're gonna encounter, no, especially in basketball. It's not overnight. We gotta be patient and working hard, and hopefully we can become winners in our own life. Ang importante lang po talaga dyan is praying and working hard. Yan lang po yun. At sumunod po tayo sa mga magulang. At ang pinaka-importante po, mag-aral po tayo, makatapos tayo ng pag-aaral. And hopefully, we will be able to reach yung mga pangarap nyo po. That's why we are called dreamers. So, maraming salamat po, mga ka-winners.
Thank you.
Okay na po.